Hello, I'm Verna Griffin-Tabor and I'm the CEO for Center for Community Solutions. It is our mission to end relationship and sexual violence by being a catalyst for caring communities and social justice. Through 47 years of service in San Diego, we have provided a wide variety of innovative and accessible services to eliminate the societal conditions that condone and perpetuate relationship violence, sexual assault, and stalking, and we have promoted safety, justice, and healing for those impacted by these crimes. We measure our short and long-term impact of our services in a variety of ways, from the number of positive legal outcomes secured from our pro bono legal team to the number of families who secure stable, permanent housing before leaving our shelters. One of the key measures of success for our residential shelters are the accomplishment that survivors have continued to attain, including completing college degrees, certificates in nursing, and courses in real estate. Our Prevention Education Department now analyzes changes in pre- and post-assessment surveys, tracking changes in beliefs and behaviors of students who participate in our multi-session educational programs. Students who participate in our prevention education programs gain a working knowledge of the dynamics, the prevalence, and effects of relationship and sexual violence on the individual, family, and communal levels, and share ways they will improve their relationship in the future. We further evaluate our ability to provide empowering, non-judgmental, client-centered, and trauma-informed services with client satisfaction surveys. In 2015, we provided over 12,600 shelter bed nights for domestic violence survivors, 5,000 free confidential crisis hotline calls, 380 in-person hospital accompaniments during forensic exams for rape survivors, 2,000 trauma-informed counseling sessions, and 1,400 survivors of domestic violence and sexual assault, as well as stalking, received legal and advocacy services. We also taught over 1,700 youth and a multi-unit prevention education to prevent primary, secondary, sexual and relationship violence. Survivors of domestic violence report that seeking a protective order is one of two of the most effective tools for stopping domestic violence, second only to leaving the abuser. Civil restraining orders are often the only viable form of relief available to victims, and representation by legal counsel significantly increases the chance of permanent order being granted. Without CCSs, free, bilingual legal services, the vast majority of domestic violence, sexual assault, and stalking victims in San Diego County would have no other means of accessing legal services. Individuals who have the opportunity to access these services benefit from the opportunity to make informed legal services while accessing all of CCS's supportive services that can help keep them safe for years to come.